It is Wednesday, February 16th, 2011, and it's time to talk Philly. Hi, everybody. I'm Yuki Washington.
Hello, everyone. I'm Pat Shiraki. We begin today with a grandfather's pain. For the first time, Phillies baseball great Dallas Green breaks his public silence on losing his granddaughter in the Tucson shootings.
He's in attendance at Philly spring training in Clearwater, Florida, and he spoke at a news conference where he tried to put into words losing his 9-year-old granddaughter, Christina Taylor Green.
Green had called his only granddaughter his princess. A neighbor had taken the precocious 9-year-old to meet her Congresswoman, Gabrielle Giffords, on January the 8th at a shopping center in Tucson. That is when a gunman opened fire, killing 6 and wounding 13, including the Congresswoman. Christina loved baseball like her grandfather and was the only girl on her Little League team. Here's Dallas Green.
You know, the way it happened and the fact that she was only 9 years old obviously hit a lot of people hard, and you know, brought up the gun business and the craziness that the country seems to be going through at times. But she embodied what's good about kids and what's good about